Okay, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. We are going to spend just 3 minutes. Just 3 minutes, please. But before then, I want to thank you guys. For some of you that have subscribed to our new channel. Thank you so much, and God bless you. Because I made a video here yesterday, and I told us that I will be streaming here often, because we need to have this particular channel as backup to our main channel. But your subscription, your support is what we are relying on. So after that video, we have some new people that subscribe. So I want to use this opportunity to tell you thank you so much, and God bless you. Thank you for your support and for your your subscription. As you have given us your support, we are going to continue with what we are doing here. So without wasting much of your time, let me lay a background of what we are here to talk about. I got a voice note of somebody who happened to be an obedient follower of DOS. And he made a voice note. That voice note is what we are going to play here. And he attached it with a video to support what he was trying to say. And let me say this. What I'm saying here is not, to represent anybody, like from any group or government in Israel, because I know why I'm emphasizing on that before I start up anything. Some people will think or may feel that somebody sent you to go and say something, that kind of thing. And that's what I'm trying to avoid. Nobody sent me. This is my own personal opinion, all right? And I'm not going to say or lie about it. This is my own, like I said, my own personal opinion. So let us just establish that. So this guy said that, he's not the only one. I have seen some people saying similar thing in the past, and that prompted me to write on this very one, because people actually believe that Christianity is the problem of black people. Christianity is the problem of black people. So people believe that, and it's not surprised that most of those people are those who say they are Omenana people, that they believe in traditional worship and all that. But as a traditional worshiper, real people that are traditional worshippers don't even go against Christianity. You understand? And that is a very big lie. Christianity is not the problem of what is going on in Africa. And some of them are making an argument that slavery started from Christianity, simply because the missionaries, people that say they want to go out to evangelize about the coming of Christ and Christianity, happen to, involve in political aspects of their own country. Do you understand? So people's private life and their private decision, you cannot use it to tag all the religion. It's not done. So the belief system is there, and you cannot just overlook that. But some people don't care. You understand? Just like if you want to compare that, for example, like the time of Osama bin Laden and Muslim people, you cannot judge all the Muslims because of the life of Osama bin Laden decided to live. You can't do that, because not everybody is not as radical as he want to be. Do you understand? So that one aside, but without wasting much of the time, like I said, I don't want the video to be too long. So let's start by what he said and the video. Thank you guys. Some of you that are okay. One person have made a comment. Thank you for your comment. I really appreciate that. But you are sending a flag of is it LGBT or something like that? That is not welcome here. Okay, let me say that I'm not in support of that. So please don't drag us to that nonsense. Anyway, let's continue. And I will play the video first before the audio. Then we can move forward from that. Let's see how this one will go.
I want to make this categorical statement that I do not apologize for.
Let me take it back a bit, so it will start from the beginning.
Christianity. I want to make this Christianity has dismally failed Africa and Africans. Stories like the ones of John Hopkins are many, where they took advantage of people in the name of Christianity. And the people had the worst experience of their lives. It's not only John Hopkins. There's a name by the name of King Leopold II, who went to the DRC, to the Congo. King Leopold II, in the name of Christianity, killed 20 million Africans and enslaved the whole nation. Read my lips. Hear what I say. Christianity and colonialism. Christianity and colonization are two sides of the same coin. One cannot exist without the other. One cannot thrive without the other. Christianity and colonization are like twin brothers. They work together.
Okay, this is where the short video ends. It is not true that Christianity and colonization walk hand in hand. It's not true. I will tell you why. Remember, Christianity is a religion. Is a belief system. You know what they believe, what particular people believe on, and you yourself, you believe on something different, right? And people may have problem with that thing that you believe on. Before the white man came to, I'm using Igbo land as an example on this video. If you are from Igbo, you are watching me, you will understand better. In Igbo land, ask yourself this question. Do we have people that our ancestors ostracized, or people that they called Osu, Ohu, Ume, and the rest of them? Do we have, in our history, like things fall apart? Go and read it. You have similar thing. You have something like that in the novel. So if you have something like that before the white man came, so what is slavery you are talking about then? That the white people organize their own way of criminality, different from the crime that had been existing in Africa before they came, does not mean that every crime was conducted by the same white people. Since you know that Christianity is the problem, that you feel that Christianity is the problem, how come you still have some people doing that slavery in Africa today? Is it the white people that are doing it? The answer is no. Like when I listen to some of them, like Matthias says that and the rest of them, telling you that you should set ablaze the churches and everything, and focus on Omenana. That when you are sick, don't listen to white people. That white men destroyed our people. That they brought church for us, and the church they brought to us have made us ignore hospital and the scientific method that we have. They forgot that the same people that brought the Christianity also introduced hospital to you. It is your choice to follow which of them. You are criticizing churches and you are embracing a hospital. Is that not madness? And the Biafra they want to bring to you, they are preaching, is a Biafra whereby churches will be set ablaze, they will destroy everything, and Omenana will be uplifted and everything. You can uplift Omenana and let another religion to exist as well. No man lives in isolation. That's just the fact. You cannot do it alone. You cannot just rely on one particular thing, thinking that you are doing the right thing. That is why Biafran government in exile, under the leadership of Simon Ekpa, and IPOB, when he was still under the leadership of Malam Khan, because now Malam Khan is in detention, or there is in the hand of people that kidnap him, so he cannot pilot the affairs of IPOB. But then he managed to, eliminate that kind of mentality of targeting one religion and all that. No, I'm not saying that our Menana, our traditional way of worship is evil or is bad. I know that some are bad, of course. Just like you have bad Christians and bad Muslims and bad traditional worshippers. Everybody can be bad, not because of one religion. Everybody in that religion is bad. It's not done. That is not how it works. It's not how it works. And when they're preaching to you all these things, oh, you need to do this, you need to do that. They are trying to tell you to control your mind to see Christianity as your enemy, which is not. And many people in our land today are buying that, keying into that kind of nonsense belief. Now I will allow the guy to talk so you can hear what he said. Then we can go through it, of course.
For this video, you watch pause. You watch pause. I'm one name damage. Enough is enough. The earlier we wake up, the better. We have been sleeping and been eating with our greatest enemy without knowing it. Christianity can not colonize Africa. Christianity can use our ancestors. Christianity can do. But without Christianity, without Pope decree, they wouldn't have been anything like slavery.
You see, this guy is ignorant of anything about colonization and the movement of white people in terms of slavery and all that. It's not from Pope. It is more of government than religion. And Nigerian as a country was under British. Pope has something to do with the British government. But they don't study they don't learn, they want to argue. You want to talk about Pope. I'm not saying that everything Pope does is good, that everything that he touches is good. No. That is a different story. But saying that with that Pope decree that they wouldn't have anything like slavery is a lie from pit of hell. Pure lie.
Christianity put the manual, the manual, the institution that we make colonization. And we have been fools all this while. It's only a fool that we see the truth and remain and watching Kete. But people like us forgot the truth. But we are not fools. It will be a shame that in the end of the day, as the last people that we realized that Christianity was actually the slavery still ongoing. The slavery still being perpetuated in our land. The last people many people have woken up. Many people have woken up. They are dismantling the institution of slavery, which is Christianity. I see anyone bone damage. We are still condoning it.
So this guy, Christianity is a problem, is a problem he have and everything. But in his own village, in Amich, I believe Amich is talking about the one in Anambra State. In Amich, in the same village, it's almost in every Igbo land. You see someone that want to get married to a girl, they will tell you, don't marry this girl because it's from India. Is it because everybody is pretending nobody want to talk about it? Nobody want to talk about it. You want to marry from one particular, maybe from one town, they will tell you, no, this town we don't marry from it because India. You understand that we don't marry together because these ones are, this one is a that. You know what I mean? It is still existing today. You don't marry freely in Igbo land because of that. It is common. I have a friend that is a victim of that. His family told him no. Don't marry that girl because that girl is not from maybe the from his family. They slave their family and stuff like that. So there's this kind of segregation within the circle of Igbo. It has nothing to do with white people. Even now I'm discussing about this topic, nobody want to watch because they just come in and notice that I'm talking about this issue, this particular issue. That's why many people are, afraid of discussing it, going in details about it, because it is a very, very big cancer in our society. And when they want to talk about it, they just pick religion. They pick religion to talk about it because they want to hide under religion, to just push religion away. They will not come back and tell you that you have men and I, we don't marry together. You know that kind of thing. It exists in our land. And one of my friends was angry with me, telling me, why are you talking as if you're not ordinary? Even though you're supposed to back our people. That kind of thing. It is there. I told him, no, I don't believe, I don't support that kind of thing because it doesn't make sense to me. Anyway, that is a story from that, but let's continue.
Our brother not support to her. I can be several by you. By one now, happen. None them but under the way to be with. Ya happy here was allo. Nda bo scam ka hajaka, hagore rayagore, no me he could na her. He didn't listen. The ancestors are very angry. To go too much. We should wake up. Those by a god only those by your paradise. Eba tabenna tata, and I walk. A mammy yabun and never will walk. Now I will tell walk. Millie Naba, as for a year, I will tell me about it. I will take on Millie. Oh, my mish the tenola. In a jar 2 years ago, that the institution that enslaved you killed your ancestors. Your ancestors are in the spirit realm, very angry. You are still using your Anna Gosli Wolegona share. How do you think you will enjoy this life? Eventually, every decide they do stupid. Every decide they say, hey, Hapoka, Kaya Hayasnambonyo or Wogo, Hayasnambonyo Wego, Hayasnambonka. No, that is what they do to put fear, to deceive you, so that you can continue to put your head there. If you know money, if you could be a Daramoro, if you know money, if I bobia or Yanotati, if you know money, if I bobia or no, the Yamutanga, you don't have a defense. You are disconnected from your root. You are following your slave master that killed your ancestors, that deceived your ancestors, that they are angry for. You need to tell her, how do you think things will go well for you? How do you think you will find inner peace? Christianity and slavery is the same side, is different side of the same coin. The earlier we go the better. Let me tell you, we can never get freedom as long as we keep on the institution of slavery in our land.
What change the topic? We can never get freedom unless they destroy Christianity. That is the mentality. That's the Biafra they want. To that, before you have this Biafra that he's talking about, you have to destroy Christianity first before you now talk about your freedom. Just imagine that kind of mentality. And he's saying all this as if you have only Omenan, that in Omenan everybody in traditional worshippers, they don't have anybody that is not married. That to marry would be so easy because they will tell you that it's polygamy. They will bring the institution of polygamy to marry one man will marry multiple women. That's what they want to go back to. Biafran government in exile don't have time for this nonsense. Why? Because the roadmap is, the way other civilized countries have made their own. Then you keep your religion, you keep your tradition, culture, keep everything, and follow the rule of law. But they want to twist it so that the one that will suit them personally and run with it. If you say no, they say, oh, you are in a worshipful borrowed religion.
How possible? The reason why we are going front and back, we have the institution of slavery all littered across Ebola. That is why you don't have factories. You have many factories because you cannot operate your own factory where the European factories are in your land. Your ancestors gave birth to you with Obolo. Chọpụta ndị a na-eri today, chọpụta onugbu. Igbo ka ndị mere unu ihe nke a. Igbo ka ndị mere unu ihe a, tete n'ụra. You can never build factories and develop your land where the slavery, where the colonial masters, institutions and factories are littered over your land. One of the biggest factories in your land is churches. Everywhere. How do you want to industrialize somewhere in Agbamma that his prayer will be answered by God, God of the day, God not anywhere?
If you count all the industries in the land today, 85% of them are all Christians. I'm not talking about in Igbo land. I'm not talking about in the northern part, like Muslim people have their own. In Southeast, for example, industries, companies own and build in our land today. 85% of them are built or owned by Christians. Where is Omena and people and the traditional worshippers? Where are they all? Oh my goodness. Anyway, let me allow him to say, complete what he's saying.
They twisted us with psychology and manipulation. See, I'm sick and tired of other info message to say on a different platform and reasoning. When the ability to listen and conform and wake up, it's a shame on us. That is one of the greatest warriors in Nogembo. Today we are puppets. They have used us to become members of the zoological entity. Christianity. There is nothing like you are going to any heaven. Or that those your heaven. Incarnation is what is obtainable.
Don't listen to him. There's heaven, there's hell. If you don't believe, it does not mean that it does not exist. Okay, it's not about whether you believe it or not. But I'm not against you. That's your belief, and I have to respect you for that. But all this thing that you are saying is deceptive and it's not good. Anyway, my people, I just want to react on that, and we are going to come back again, hopefully today or later. Hopefully now, maybe in the afternoon or towards late hour. If I can make, if I couldn't make it, then it will be tomorrow. But anyway, thank you so much for your time, and don't forget to like the video, share it. Tell me what you think about what we discussed. Do you believe that Christianity is responsible for for all the wrong things going on in our society? Christianity brought slavery, whereas you still have people that have been enslaved in Igbo land today. There are some people there's some states in Igbo land that I know. If you want to contest governorship, or if you're a deputy governor or deputy anything, ministerial position and commissioners and all that thing, you can't get it as long as you are from different group and that kind of thing. Maybe we may go in details about it, but I don't want to raise the dust in the midst of freedom, because people need to understand what is playing out. You don't tell me that Christianity that have come and gone, slavery that have come and gone, or colonization during the time of Frederick Lugard and all the rest of them, that they are still the one holding you to know what is left and what is your left and what is your right. It doesn't make any sense, because even before they came, history have it that Igbo land do banish people, do ostracize people, do send people on exile. Do you understand? And after that, today, for you to be a governor of any state, they have to filter where you come from. You know, that kind of easy. To me, I don't think it's the best way to live. But whether whether you believe or not, that's your choice, that's your belief. I'm not against it. But calling Christianity out, that they are the cause of all those things, is laughable. It's not. And it's a lie from pit of hell. Thank you so much for your time, and see you again. Bye bye for now.